Here's the quick and easy way to make savory pumpkin-cranberry granola. Coarsely chop the hazelnuts. In a bowl, mix the hazelnuts, honey, oil, rolled oats, and coconut. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Pour the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and spread out evenly. Bake for about 30 minutes until crisp, stirring every 10 minutes. Remove the granola from the oven and set on a wire rack to cool for 1 hour. Mix the cooled granola with cranberries and pumpkin seeds. Store in a sealed jar. The granola will keep for 2 weeks. There you have it, a quick snack made the savory way.